Yo, what's happening, my people? So it's your boy Chance Jolivet, aka Smooth, back with another video. So today what we're gonna be talking about, how to style these purple things right here, man. These Barney Sesame Street joints right here. These things are fly though, man. Like, they look a little ashy or something. The material is very plush. Anyways, got a video on those. They got the review. But anyways, this right here was a woman's shoe. I don't know what the official release was because they released a bunch of times. I think they released actually today as well. But this right here is going to be talking about how do you style this shoe right here. And it's a woman's shoe. The women, y'all are fly. So I can't really tell y'all too much. Maybe give you some color inspiration or something. But for the fellas that did try to get this shoe or did get their hands on it. So this is look number one. And so it is fall. So olive is a nice fall color. In the purple, it does go. And they do have little hits of green in the shoe. So that is a good look, man. It goes and whatnot. It's not super matchy. Just threw on a black sweatshirt. And this right here, this whole fit might be probably a $40 fit. Because the pants, these are H&M. I might have paid 20 something, $30. And the shirt about a $10 shirt, man. So that's option number one. Option number one for you, man. Try to come up with some other stuff. What's that? Okay, so this right here is look number two. Had to move my location. Old drunk man, he was running up on me, asking me what the hell I was doing and shit. You know I'm shy whenever I'm filming. But anyways, so this is look number two. Got some Levi's, I don't know what number this is, some Levi's pants, but in the camo colorway. So, got a orange sweatshirt, another Walmart exclusive, another outfit that's probably like $30 because I got these, I think, off eBay or something for 20 something dollars, and this probably $10 sweatshirt, so around $40, 30 something dollar mark. So that is look number two, man. Something very simple. I like the way that the orange pops against the camo and stuff. And then the shoe does have a little bit of orange. I probably would have put like a little orange tam on. I just ain't want to fuck my hair up and shit, man. Trying to go watch Black Adam later on and stuff. But this is look number two, man. Just another simple fall colorway, fall outfit and stuff. Something that matches, not super matchy, but something that accentuates the shoe. The shoe would very much stand out. You with the orange and stuff, that's gonna stand out, especially against the camo. Like, yeah, I wouldn't want to be like the orange and have some big purple pants on and stuff, and just trying to like do too much. But like against the camo or black or something of that nature, I think it's decent. But some people might be like, camo pants, man, that's clean. But anyway, I don't know. I'm starting to becoming like self-conscious with these videos because people, y'all be trolling, y'all be hating and stuff. But it's all good. But this is look number two. Look number two, man. And when I do these, man, I'm not, yo, you gotta get Versace, you gotta get Gucci and stuff. This is Walmart and stuff, man. Like, if I got some cheap stuff, I'ma show it. If I got something expensive, that's something, I'ma show it. I'm just showing you how to throw it together a little bit, match, just something to wear with the shoe. But anyways, man, look number three, I'm gonna try to do 4 looks. Four. Okay, so this right here is look number 3. Let me try to hurry up and get through this before somebody come run me over in the road. That's the only time somebody passes whenever I put the camera out, man. Every time I put the camera out, people. But anyways, so look number 3, keeping it simple. Shit, it has been cold the past few days, but now it's kind of warming up, so I can come back with the short sleeves and stuff. So we got some short sleeves, got the print shirt. I think everybody and their mama had this shirt whenever it dropped. This is a Walmart special, but it's purple shoe. So always a good look. And with the denim, got some light denims on, got some light Levi's. I think there's some 511s and stuff. So it's not like super matchy and all this. It matches. And you can tell you put some thought into it. It goes with the shoe. It's not something super extreme, but it's still something that I think can be regarded to as fly. So that is my thoughts for look number 3. And then also not a pricey a pricey one, man. Probably $10 shirt, probably $30 jeans or something, man. So that is look number 3, man. Let's get to it with the last look. And this last look, that's probably gonna be what I'm gonna wear today. So I tried to put it together to where, because I'm gonna watch Black Adam, so put it together so my last look is probably, I won't have to take nothing else off. So, okay, so this is the last look of the day. And this right here, this is some black, I think, Champs joggers, when you know how they got their own little line in there. So I got these a long time ago. And got this shirt, I think I got this off eBay. I just wanted something purple. So this is like a vintage top. I don't think you can find this anymore. But two pieces together that's also not expensive. Is might be hard to find at this point, but you can find some of them things similar. Just like a Freddy Krueger top if it was red, but also with the purple colorway, but just subtle with the bottoms, with the joggers and stuff, black. So they have hints of black in the shoe. So playing with the black and purple elements, and then also because this is old, it's like a little faded, and so I like that with the shoe. Because the shoe is also faded. So it's not like a bright purple against this faded purple. It's two like faded tops. So I think involuntarily it worked in the favor of the outfit. But that's my little thoughts, man. So this has been the video. So this is like 4 little ideas for you if you end up getting this shoe. Like not necessarily the exact piece, but something similar. Or just being able to see the shoes on body and see if you like them, if you want to pay resale, if you want to sell your shoe, if you want to keep it, or anything like that. And y'all don't have to say nothing negative, man. If you don't like the content or whatever, you can just turn the video off. Y'all ain't gotta really. I know we in this trolling times right now with Charleston White and Kanye and stuff, man. People love to be negative to one another and think that's funny. You don't know what somebody is going through. I'm not necessarily saying like I'm depressed or I'm going through something, but you don't know what somebody might be going through online or something. And y'all be on here and y'all like to try to bully somebody. Like, I'll cuss you out. But you never know what the next person might be going through or something. And like that trolling and stuff, you could be strong in that. I don't necessarily know internet bullying because I can cut the camera off but I'm always gonna do my little YouTube content. So that's just a little PSA at the end of the video, man. If you don't like the stuff, you could just hit the dislike, or you could just get off of the video. But if you sat here and watch me for 10 minutes talk about these outfits and stuff, just to say, you trash. Anyways, man, like, comment, subscribe. Gonna be the greatest of the most hated, man. Much love to y'all. Basketball season. Ja Morant.